Alright, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to operate the heater and cooling system, or the heater and air conditioning system in this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Alright, I'm going to show you how to turn on the air conditioner, I'm going to show you how to turn off the air conditioner, show you how to turn on the heater and off the heater, as well as the temperature and direction of which everything blows at you, and the windshield defroster and rear window defroster. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so I'm in the vehicle, and the vehicle is currently on, but the air conditioner and heater is not on. It's currently in the off position. Now to turn it on, you'll go ahead and take this knob and you'll turn it right or clockwise. In doing this, it changes the fan speed, and each notch that I go up, the fan speed will get warmer and warmer, or excuse me, not warmer and warmer. The fan speed will get higher, higher, and higher. But if I take it back left, it'll get lower, lower, and lower to the off position. Okay, so you have that. Now, if you're operating air conditioner, okay, there is, to turn the air conditioner for the coolest air, you'll have to turn this on and make sure that this button is pressed in to where this light is on right here. When it's on like this, the air conditioner is on for the super cold air, and then I can take this lever, this knob right here, and I can adjust it. To change the temperature. Okay, counterclockwise is the coldest temperature. To get the coldest temperature, go clockwise for the warm. Now, if I have the heater on, I'm not going to want the AC on, so I'll press this and have the warmer temperature for the heater. You don't want to have the AC on right there. All right, so I'm going to go back over here. All right, and then there's also a recirculating button. So say for instance I have the air conditioner or heater on, and I want to recirculate the air in the vehicle and not pull air from the outside of the vehicle. I'll press this button, and this light comes on, and it's recirculating the air in the vehicle. Okay, you want this for the maximum air conditioner. All right, or if you just don't want the air from the outside, you just want to pull it from the inside and just recirculating, you have this on. To turn it off to where you can get the air from the outside, go ahead and press that. Okay, now I'm going to go back over here to the center. Now there is an auto feature for the air conditioner and heater. Okay, so you see how I have it in off? I can go to auto, and it automatically adjusts depending on the temperature that you set it on. Okay, so this is the auto feature. Some people like to keep it in that. I, however, want a little bit more manual control and take it out of that. Now, after we have this, I'm going to talk to you about the direction of the air conditioner or heater that it's blowing. Okay, so you control that with this switch right here. Currently right here it's blowing towards the face. Go right there. It is blowing towards, let me get in a little bit closer so you can see this. It's blowing towards the face right here. If I do it right here, it's blowing, it's in between the face and this right here. But if I put it right here, it's blowing at the face and the feet. If I do it right here, it's blowing right at the feet. But right here, it's blowing towards the windshield and towards the feet for like the defrost the windshield and the feet, or defog. If I do it right here, it is completely on the windshield for defrosting or defogging right here. All right, and so I can go ahead and do that. Now this button right here, if I press it in, it defrosts or defogs the rear window when I have this, press this button and this light is on. If I want to turn it off, I just go ahead and press that and it's off. Now the same knob, I can take this and put it into auto, and it automatically adjusts in the auto position. And that is just a brief of how you can control the air conditioner and heater system inside of a Mitsubishi Outlander. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.